In this video, we'll be talking about a magical advanced dry eye treatment that allows the eye to heal and gives you relief from your dry eye symptoms. Hey, it's Dr. Beard, practicing optometrist in the state of Utah, and this is the Stone Canyon Eye Show, where we go over the best tips and products to keep your eyes healthy and looking good. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell below to be notified when new videos come out. Dry eye syndrome is a condition that impacts many people's lives, and new therapies and research are continually coming out to better treat dry eyes. Dryness is essentially the loss of the eye's ability to protect itself. This happens from one of two categories. Either one, the eye is struggling to produce enough tears, or the tears are just evaporating off the eye too quickly. This evaporative dry eye happens because oil glands in your eyelids, called meibomian glands, often get clogged, and then they struggle to produce oil, which helps to keep tears on your eyes instead of just immediately evaporating off. Because the oil glands are struggling and our tears are evaporating off our eyes too fast, it causes inflammation and irritation on our eyes, and new little blood vessels start to grow, called telangiectasia. This brings a lot of what we call inflammatory mediators, or things that cause inflammation in the eyelids. The healthy structure of the eyelid now changes, and we get a new level of homeostasis, or this new level of normal that is created, and we get a vicious cycle of dryness, inflammation, and structure changes, which goes around, and then the cycle happens more and it gets worse and worse. This is where IPL comes in. IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light Therapy. As you can imagine from the name, it uses a really bright flash of visible light, which essentially cauterizes these small little new blood vessels. It helps with collagen production, evens out your skin tone, and has been used with dermatology for skin aesthetics, rosacea, acne for several years now. As I mentioned, it's using visible light, not lasers, to treat the skin and the eyelid. Because the light is very bright, it does heat up a little bit, which also helps to melt the oil that's clogged up in those meibomian glands. If you found this video helpful so far, be sure to hit the like button and comment below on if you've heard IPL before this video. One of my colleagues lovingly refers to IPL as a magical unicorn of light because the benefits that she sees from IPL on her dry eye patients, in her words, is nothing short of magical. Treatment from IPL for dryness consists of several visits over the course of a few months and can often be paired with meibomian gland expression at the end of the last visit. Be sure to watch our other videos where we talk about meibomian gland expression and other beneficial dry eye treatments. In dry eye disease, we often also find microscopic organisms that live on our skin and in our gland follicles. This can cause irritation and dryness. A very common one is a mite called Demodex. It lives in our eyelash follicles and irritates our eyes and contributes to dry eye disease. IPL is also amazing because it gives us a little Demodex barbecue and cleans the eyelids from these mites. A note with IPL is that when we say intense, we do mean intense. So in our clinic, we often use a topical anesthetic to make sure that it's comfortable for our patients during the treatment. However, the amazing benefits from IPL definitely far outweigh a little discomfort. IPL is something that is not offered at every clinic though, so be sure to talk to your eye doctor to see if they offer IPL. We recently got an IPL at our clinic and we're really excited because we'll be able to benefit so many of our patients. If you have any other questions about IPL, be sure to comment below and we'll see you in the next video.